As we kick off another episode of Property Parent, we want to bring you around different neighborhoods in Singapore and show you some schools and potential properties that, who knows, may end up being your next home. For this episode, we're focusing on the central region. It's the Bukit Timah area, home to many famous and premier schools, but also a highly requested area that you guys wanted us to explore. Here's a bit of a background on Bukit Timah. It is a planning area and residential estate on Singapore's westernmost part of the central region. It is also the home of Singapore's primary rainforest nature reserve. Wow, that bird is really loud. It is also considered a very exclusive and highly desirable place to live in Singapore due to its close proximity to downtown, but also the premier residential estates and schools that are in the area. Now, in line with its reputation as an expat-friendly area, there are many international schools on top of local schools. Now, many parents have taken this into serious consideration when it comes to the decision to moving for their kids, since distance plays a really big part when it comes to getting into these big-name schools. It is easy to get around Singapore from Bukit Timah. You have multiple MRT stations and lines, like 6th Avenue and King Albert Park on the downtown line, or Farrer Road and Botanic Gardens on the Circle Line. If you drive, the PIE and BKE can easily connect you to the rest of Singapore. So if you're considering moving to Bukit Timah, or for those who are just curious, let's bring in our super agent Babu, who will help give us a closer look at some of the homes and school there. Hi Babu, tell us what you found.
Thank you, Audrey. Bukit Timah is definitely a really hot area when it comes to schools. Let's take a look at a few that are in the area.
Yes, we'll be exploring properties around Nanyang Primary School, Raffles Girls Primary School, Anglo Chinese School, Singapore Chinese Girls School, and Henry Park Primary.
We recognize these are many more schools to choose from, but just for the purpose of this video, we'll be looking at just these schools and what we found to be the most convenient properties. But we at Ohmyhome are always available for any details you need for any properties. So contact us anytime.
And visit our listings page for more. It will also help you gauge how far the properties are from the school. Okay, Babu, take it away.
Thank you. Let's start with Nanyang Primary, located at Kings Road. It is a very popular school and also a co-ed, so brothers and sisters can attend the same school. This helps with registration. If your older child gets into Nanyang, that's a guaranteed spot for your other kids. There are some nearby properties to consider as well. If you go to our Ohmyhome listing page, you will see an option to search for home based on schools. This condo, Wilshire Residences at 30 Farrer Road, is just under 1 kilometer away from Nanyang Primary. It's about 760 square feet and going for about 2.13 million. That's the kind of price you're expected of the area. It'll be a short walk away from Farrer Road MRT and you'll find Holland just a little further down. And if you're looking to rent, there's Duke Residence, a 42-unit freehold condo that's less than 500 meters away from the school. It is also about the same distance from Botanic Gardens MRT and is also not much further to Farrer Road and Tan Kah Kee MRT station. At last check, a 3-bedder for rent would go for around 5,100 a month based on recent transactions. Other properties to consider are the ones along Duchess Road. Take Duchess Manor for example. Nanyang Primary is 6 minutes walk away. You'll be about 10 minutes from Tan Kah Kee MRT. A 3-bedder will go for about 5,600 to 6,000 per month in rent. And guess what? You'll also be close to another choice school with this property, namely Raffles Girls Primary. This school is a popular all-girls school in Singapore. It's at Hillcrest Road, right by lots of landed homes, and also less than 1 kilometer to Arcadia Road, which is the home of 2 large condos. A 3-bedder at Arcadia condo will cost you about 4 million, while renting a 4-bedder could run up to almost 10k a month in rent. If you are a small family looking to buy a place near Raffles Girls, we have a 1-bedroom condo available at 386 Dunearn Road for sale at about 1.18 million. It's about 800 meters from Raffles Girls and also 600 meters from Nanyang Primary. You'll also be close to Botanic Gardens and Tan Kah Kee MRT station. Remember to contact us for more details. Now, let's take a look at ACS Junior. It's an all-boys school based near the Newton area and has been hailed as a popular boys' school for decades. If you have decided this is the school for your kids, this property may be perfect for your family. This 4-bedroom condo is part of Bukit 828 and is a freehold collection of 34 units. The unit is around 1,340 square feet and is selling for 1.98 million. It's less than 400 meters away from the school and is also 5 minutes walk to Newton MRT and less than 1 kilometer from Orchard MRT. A smaller unit to consider is this 2-bedroom, 670 square feet condo at Dunearn Road. You're not only less than 600 meters from ACSJ, you're also not that much further from ACS Primary. You'll only be 2 minutes walk away from Newton MRT. If you're looking to rent, you can look at Cavenagh Road, which houses many condos. A 3-bedroom unit at Cavenagh Lodge is an example would go for about 4,500 a month, with ACSJ being 400 meters away. Other options can be found along Cavenagh Road and as well as Emerald Hill. Now we turn to Singapore Chinese Girls School. It is another premier girls' school that is on Dunearn Road. And I know that that's the school that Audrey attended, so she made me do this. Apartments or houses along Robin Road, Stevens Road and nearby streets are good starting point for this school. We looked at some nearby condos like the Equatorial, with 4-bedder costing over 6,000 in rent, with SCGS a very short walk away. Let's say we are looking at for a property that would be suitable for both your sons and daughter. Some condos along Balmoral Road are very best bet, with some properties within 1 kilometer from both SCGS and ACS. In terms of new launches, that's Hyde on Balmoral is also a good contender, with it being close to RGPS and as well as SCGS and ACS Primary. How to search for these overlapping schools will be a bit more challenging. Try overlapping both maps and their radius to find a sweet spot. Our agents can help you with this too. And finally, let's explore properties near Henry Park Primary. This school is a little further southeast by Holland Road. It is a co-ed school like Nanyang Primary. Unlike the other schools that you can find properties in the Ghim Moh area, which can be a little less demanding money-wise. If you're looking to buy, this 3-bedder HDB has an asking price of about 368k. It is about 700 square feet and only 500 plus meters from Henry Park. And just a little further to Buona Vista MRT station, another unit up for grabs in the Ghim Moh is this really new HDB unit. This is 2-bedder, 2-bath and it's going for 600,000 at 730 square feet with 95-year lease left. It is also a 7-minute walk away from Henry Park Primary. For rental condos on Holland Road or Mount Sinai are good bets. Based on what we have seen, these units tend to be bigger for the price. Let's take Allsworth Park condo on Holland Road as an example. A 3-bed, 4-bath unit there is 1,950 square feet and average about 5,000 a month in rent. Back to you, Audrey.
And there you have it. We hope that you have a better idea of Bukit Timah and what Singapore's central area has to offer. If you want to learn more about moving closer to a primary school, you can always reach out to one of our super agents to guide you. You will also find our new school article series on our website, where we showcase more properties near certain primary schools, as well as market trends, rental, and purchase prices in and around that area. Now, we want to hear from you. Tell us what other schools and neighborhoods that you would like us to cover. We here at Ohmyhome want to show you more of Singapore's north, south, east, and west. Let us know in the comments below. Property Parent will have you covered. Till then, keep calm and parent on.